We got champagne and vodka. Goons with me if they need a problem. Fuck niggas, hate real niggas, get money. All motherfucking day. Baby, drop it to